Hello unboxing fans! Today we are unboxing a pair of Tunisian ceramic cake pans from Carthage Co. Let's take a look and see what they shipped us. I just found out about this company the other day. I was looking for some ceramic cake pans and I couldn't find them at any of the places I usually buy from, so I found this company and I emailed them, and they're actually really nice. They got back to me within like 24 hours, answered a lot of questions. There's a packing slip, so I was pretty happy with them. And you were also seeing the fact that I was so happy with them, I bought some drinks, some drinkware, some glasses. So these are, I guess, goblets is what they refer to them on the website as. Let's take a look at those first. It's going to be a mixed unboxing because I didn't realize they packed these all together. Oh yay! You can go ahead and see them. These are the cute little goblets. Be honest, a little bit smaller than I thought from the website. I was expecting it to be maybe a little bit bigger. And I'm sure they gave me dimensions on the website. I just, from the pictures, it's going to be a little bit bigger. It's not tiny. Just not quite as big as I thought. And I'm also noticing it's more of a brown color than I expected. The website said onyx. I usually think of that as being a black. This looks more brown. So, good to know in the future. Their onyx is more of a dark brown. So I got two of those. Lots of nice bubble wrap. They both appear to be intact, so good job with the wrapping. And now, let's see the actual cake pans. How do I get this? All right. Let's go ahead and get rid of this box. So the cake pan is very heavily saran wrapped, which is cool. Let's try and break through some of that without cutting open the pans. That's the smartest way to do that. Yep, alright. We learn together the most effective way to open this package. So if you just score cardboard on the back, you don't hurt the plates. Alright. Here's the first one. Looks like that might wash, yeah, that'll scrape off. Pretty nice. Here's the bottom. Carthage Co stoneware. This nice matte finish to the bottom. I ordered two, partly because I needed to and partly because shipping was the same regardless. Here's the second one. Alright. Let's set that there. Let's see if aside from my packing slip there was anything else in this box. Nope, looks like just more bubble wrap, but plenty of it, which is good because I occasionally need to ship things and can reuse it, and also good because it means that they care about not having things broken in transit, which is appreciated. So there you have it, two brand new ceramic cake pans from Tunisia brought to us courtesy Carthage Co. And two, let me go ahead and open this one up. Two little drink vessels. That has been unboxing cake pans and drink vessels. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.